Here's a street rod to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Don't see one of these every day. 1941 Ford Super Deluxe convertible. Street rodded with a 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. As you can see, paint has a nice luster or shine to it. See the reflection of the sign in the wall behind it, but you will find some spots where it's touched up. I mean, there are imperfections. It is black. It's going to show some imperfections, but does it have a nice shine to it? Absolutely, as you can see. It is equipped with AC compressor and components underneath the hood also. In the glove box, there's the controls, like vintage AC controls, and it does have a blower fan in the interior that does blow, but the AC belt is not hooked up to that compressor, so it may need a little TLC. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, so you can see that engine bay, interior, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, red steel wheels, beauty rings, spinners. So we take a look up and down the passenger side. Now, steel car with the exception of the rear fenders. Those are glass. It is a manual cloth top. Goes up and down easily. Parade boot or convertible cover fits nicely. As you can see, black and white combination interior. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple imperfections on the back, and again, just spots in the black where, is it perfect? No. Fun one. Get in, drive it, enjoy it, have some fun. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It does have digital gauges, power windows, the Pioneer stereo system in it. When we get underneath the hood, take a look at that. There's Edelbrock headers on it, HEI ignition. We'll check that out here just shortly. All right, power window switches here, of course. Just check out the rest of the door panel. The hood release is underneath the dash. Right in this area, there's just a T-handle pull. Pull that, then release it up front. As you can see, digital gauges. Check out the rest of the interior, and we'll fire it up. I'll let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay with it running. Some bench seat up front, nice shape, not full of rips, tears, or holes. Same as in the rear. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'll show you this gauge cluster. All right. Tilt column also, if you didn't notice. Fuel level, volts, miles per hour, RPM, water temp, oil. Pioneer stereo does power up. I have not gotten reception with it though, so it could be an antenna issue. It does have the cowl vent manual, and that does work. That will open the vent right up here in the cowl. As you can hear, smooth running V8. Electric fan underneath there also. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. No crazy exhaust. Nothing over the top. Just a nice little rumble. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let me pause this a second. Get this hood open and we'll check out this engine bay. Alright, hood pop. Again, 350 paired up with that Turbo Hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. So yeah, polycarb, HEI ignition. As you can see, that compressor and lines and stuff run. Just belt not hooked up. Needs a little attention. It is headers, those are Edelbrock headers. And you can see some polished aluminum work underneath there as far as engine dress up. Alright, engine bay. One last thing, I'll close up that hood, I'll raise this top up. I want to at least give you an idea what that top looks like, and you'll be able to see it in the still pictures too. So give me a second, we'll check that out. Remember, it is a manual top. And here it is with the top up. So black cloth top, so it fits above the windshield. I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in it here yet. Rear window is plastic, obviously easier to fold down and stow away that way. Don't have to worry about glass breaking. Passenger side. So yeah, looks like it's free of any rips, tears, or holes. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. Gonna serve its purpose just fine. 1941 Ford Super Deluxe convertible.
Now we have a 1941 Ford Super Deluxe two-door convertible. Take a little drive. This has a digital dash. The blinker indicators are on the edges of the miles per hour indicator, and they do work. Volts are 13.3 right now. You do have to turn the blinker off manually. It gives you the fuel level at 43. The water is 182 degrees, the oil is 35 psi. The radio powers up, but maybe doesn't have an antenna. It's not picking up any signals. In the glove box, you have your blower fan for heat. That does work. Multiple settings. Defrost, vent, and floor. This car does pull a little bit to the left at cruising speed. Slightly. Brakes good. Be able to see the miles per hour does not read, it's just showing 0. There is a rattle here and there from the top. It doesn't shake. It does go down the road good.
Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call every